Okay, we are now going to analyze a real-life example of how to use standard deviation to interpret data. In my case, I have a watch, an automatic watch, and I took the measurement in different positions: dial up, dial down, crown right, crown down, crown left, and crown up. That's 6 different positions, and I took the measurement six times on each position, so that's 36 samples. So let me copy this data to understand how we can analyze this data, to understand the meaning of the data actually. Okay, so now, no, let me copy without formatting. Oh, I deleted. So Control C, and then here paste special as a number. Okay, so I will put all the data in one column because it doesn't matter in which position the watch is. At the end, what we care for is the mean and the standard deviation, right? To interpret the data. Because if you have the data but you don't know how to interpret, there is no use. So how can you know how good is your watch compared to how it is supposed to be performing? Okay. Okay, so now I'm putting all the data in one column, and I will delete all this, which I don't need, and I will put a title here: performance. So first of all, I will calculate the mean. So I will add all these samples and divide by the number of samples, 36, because 6 positions, 6 samples, 6 times 6, 36, divided by 36. So the mean is 0.966 seconds per day. Now I have to see the difference between the performance and the mean. So that's P minus M. Okay. So that's equal to this minus this. Boom. And then I will square the difference. Why I square the difference? Because we don't need negative numbers. Exponential to, okay, boom. Now that we have the square of the difference, we have to add them up. And this result we have to divide by the number of samples minus 1. So this divided by 36 minus 1, right? And this result, I have to take the square root, and that's the standard deviation. So this is equal to this elevated to the 0.5, which is 1 over 2, which is the square root. This is my answer, 1.94 seconds per day, my standard deviation is, or SD, is 1.4 seconds per day. So how well is my watch performing? Extremely well, because the COSC, which is the Swiss body that measures the accuracy of a watch, tolerates a deviation between -4 seconds per day and 6 seconds per day. So anything that falls within this range is considered a high precision watch. So my watch is deviating only as an average 1.94 seconds per day, which is actually nothing for an automatic watch. I hope this lesson was